see why everyone wants one. Maybe it's Accent's dual airbags or available anti-lock brake system, or the low-maintenance self-adjusting engine that delivers power and 38 highway miles per gallon. Or maybe it's the amazing introductory monthly payment as low as $99 for the first 12 months with no down payment required.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Jackson County in northwestern Alabama, northwestern Walker County in northwestern Alabama, until 1:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Scottsboro, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Scottsboro. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard. Deadly tornado. Source. Doppler radar indicated rotation. Impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Scottsboro, Pisgah, Gorhams Bluff, Flat Rock, Higdon, Bryant, Hollywood, Thacker, Stevenson, Bridgeport, Long Island. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Heavy rainfall may high obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Look, he was a baby once.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Jackson County in northwestern Alabama, northwestern Walker County in northwestern Alabama, until 1:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Scottsdale, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Scottsdale. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard. Deadly tornado. Source. Doppler radar indicated rotation. Impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Scottsboro, Pisgah, Gorhams Bluff, Flat Rock, Higdon, Bryant, Hollywood, Thacker, Stevenson, Bridgeport, Long Island. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Heavy rainfall may high obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Maybe it's Accent's dual airbags or available anti-lock brake system, or the low-maintenance self-adjusting engine that delivers power.
It's kind of a little stormy outside. I don't know what to think about it.
The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a tornado warning for Marshall County in northeastern Alabama, Madison County in northeastern Alabama, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near New Hope, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Scottsboro around 10:30 p.m. Locations/other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Kennemer Cove, Woodville, Pleasant Hill, Grant, and Scottsboro. Precautionary/preparedness actions. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Pressure exerted on the valve stopping this water transfer can be enormous, depending on the difference in the depths of the water and the diameter of the pipe. If the difference between the depth of water is 50 feet and diameter of the pipe is 10 inches, the force of water exerted on the valve is nearly 1,700 pounds. If the valve was suddenly opened and your arm was near, it would be sucked into the hole instantly. Trying to remove your arm would be like trying to lift a car completely off the ground with one hand. You could only remove your arm if the pressures between the two bodies became nearly equalized. But at the pressure in this example, your body makes a perfect seat.
Week unless it's a heritage deal. Heritage, Chevrolet, Volkswagen.
Arkansas, northeastern St. Francis County, and eastern Arkansas, Shelby County, and southwest Tennessee until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, train weather spotters reported air rotation near Edmonton, or 10 miles southwest of West Memphis, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Marion, West Memphis, Bartlett, Germantown, Midtown Memphis, New Haven, Cordova, and Teal Fuller State Park. This warning also includes areas near Lake McKellar. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a storm shelter. If no storm shelter is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for the following counties: in Arkansas, Crittenden, and St. Francis, and in Shelby, Tennessee.
Lit up as the sirens, more than 30 of them, went